Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power x square plus 4x is equals to 1 by 27 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 3 power x square plus 4x is equals to 1 by 27. We can write it as 3 power 3. Now 3 power x square plus 4x is equals to, according to exponent rule, 1 by x, we can write it as x power minus 1 also. So 3 power minus 3. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x square plus 4x is equals to negative 3. X square plus 4x, if I'll take this 3 to this side, plus 3 is equals to 0. Now it becomes quadratic equation, so we can do the middle term split here. So x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. X square plus 4x, we can write it as 3x plus x plus 3 is equals to 0. If I'll take x as common from first two terms, and if I'll take 1 as common from first two terms. So x plus 3 is common again. So what is left? X plus 1. So x is equals to negative 3 and x is equals to negative 1. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.